The Fingerdance Folding Piano 88 Key Pro is designed with a unique foldable feature, making it extremely portable and easy to transport. It features full-size 88 touch-sensitive keys with an upgraded wood grain finish that allows for expressive playing depending on the pressure applied to the keys. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, this piano can connect to devices like phones, PCs, or tablets, enabling access to a variety of piano teaching applications for an enhanced learning experience. This portable digital piano offers 36 tones, 128 polyphony, and 8 demo songs, and can be used for up to 12 hours on a single charge thanks to its built-in rechargeable lithium battery. It is an excellent gift choice for people of all ages and skill levels, making it a versatile instrument for beginners, adults, kids, and music enthusiasts. The convenient folding design and included piano bag ensure that this piano does not take up much space at home and can be enjoyed anywhere at any time.